Have you ever heard of a real estate team that actually advised their clients not to sell? Well, that's us here at Carlson Co. Not one time, but 2 times in the last 30 days, flipping the script on what you might expect of a real estate team. But before I tell you that story, I want to dive into some numbers because this month they are pretty interesting and they're important for you to know. The median sales price is up to $385,000 here in Spokane, $394 over in Coeur d'Alene, and that's just barely above what they were the same time last year, which is very interesting because we actually have 20% more homes available for sale than we had then, which is pretty wild because most people do not realize that 2023 had less homes selling than in 2008 or 2009. So just let that sink in. Less homes selling than during the housing-led financial crisis, and they're still holding their value. That shows that homes are going to hold their value, and we're gearing up for a summer where prices could jump quite a bit. And here locally, we are already starting to feel it, for sure. So why is it all happening? Interest rates have dropped. They're down to like 6% for a 30-year mortgage. And that means lower monthly payments, and you know buyers are gonna get in on that action, especially here locally, and we are feeling it. We see it every day. It's picking up as we speak. If you think back to last year, like it was rough, historically rough, low sales. And if we could get through that and not see prices tank, I think we can safely say that the big scary crash that everybody's been waiting on, sitting on the sidelines, not jumping in, it's probably not gonna happen. So here's a story I promised for you at the beginning. We had 2 clients this month that reached out because they thought selling was their only way out. They really didn't want to sell. They felt like they had to, and that's why they called. But after sitting down, looking at what was really going on in each situation, being able to connect them with the right people, the right resources, they found they could actually stay put. And they were over the moon about it. And that just goes to show there is a ton of information out there. And people will be pretty convinced that the internet is going to deliver what they need or what's available, but not if it's not right for your situation. And that's where we come in. It's really not about moving houses. It's about helping our client make the right moves for them in that moment. And sometimes that means staying right where they are. So if you're thinking about selling, or you just want to chat about what's going on in the market and try to plan effectively, give us a shout. We're here to help you figure out exactly what your best move is. And again, sometimes that means whether you're thinking about buying and you should wait, or you're thinking about selling and it's not the right time, we're here to help you figure that out. So again, I'm Tyler, Carlson Co Real Estate. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll catch you on the next one.